Developing an audit plan. This involves outlining the specific steps that will be taken to complete the audit, including the test procedures that will be used to gather evidence, the schedule for conducting the audit, and the resources that will be required. The audit plan should be developed in accordance with the ISACA's IS auditing standards and guidelines and procedures. Developing an IS audit plan requires a thorough understanding of organization information systems and objectives of the audit and the audit criteria. The following steps can be taken. Review the objectives of the audit to ensure that they are aligned with the organization's overall objectives, critical assets, risk, and regulatory requirements. Review the audit criteria and ensure that they are aligned with the organization's policies, objectives, regulatory compliance and requirements, and the best practices. Identify the systems and processes that will be audited based on the objectives and the criteria. Define the scope of the audit by outlining the specific areas that will be audited, the system processes that will be included in the audit, and the time period that will be covered by the audit. Develop the audit program by outlining the specific procedures that will be performed to achieve the objectives of the audit and meet the criteria. This may include the procedure for testing controls, reviewing documentation, and interviewing the personnel. Establish a timeline for the audit, including the start and the end date, milestones, and the deadlines. Communicate the audit plan to the organization's management and the relevant stakeholder to ensure that they understand the scope, objective, and the procedures of the audit, and communicate the audit plan to the stakeholders to ensure that they understand the scope, objective, procedures of the audit, and the timeline for the audit. Review and update the audit plan is necessary as to ensure that it remain relevant and meet the organization's objectives. This may include revising the audit program, reassigning the resources, and adjusting the timeline. Test an audit plan by conducting a pilot audit on a small portion of the system or processes that will be audited. This will help to identify any issues or areas for improvement before the full audit is conducted. Document the audit plan, including objectives, criteria, scope, procedure, and the timeline for the future reference to ensure the consistency across audits.